Hi, my name is Matt, and today I'm going to be telling you how to accept credit card payments for a startup e-commerce business. The first two things that you need are a merchant account and a payment gateway. I work for a company called Select Bank Card during the day, and Select Bank Card works directly with business owners to underwrite and approve merchant accounts. At night, my wife and I run a different company called She Critique Forum, and that's an online photography school. And in order to get this started, we had to apply for a merchant account and a payment gateway. So again, just to tell you a little bit more about these, merchant accounts, it's kind of like applying to Visa and American Express for permission to accept credit card payments in exchange for selling your products. Credit card companies partner with local banks to help fund the transactions and help the money actually show up in your bank account. But to get a merchant account, you have to go through underwriting. Merchant accounts will save you costs and provide you with support on getting paid for your sales. Now, payment gateways are different. Payment gateways are kind of like the virtual credit card machine. If your business is selling things online, you need a payment gateway. This will help you capture the credit card numbers and details of your transaction. After this information is captured and relayed back to your merchant account, you will receive payment for the transaction. Two examples of popular payment gateways are Authorize.net and USA ePay. Another thing that you should think about if you're starting your own online e-commerce website is that you should have your name, your legal name at the top of your website. You can see here on this She Critique, it's right up at the top. You would also want your customer service phone number. I'll show you how we did ours. There's our customer service phone number and our address listed on our website. There's our mailing address. You'd want your terms and conditions listed as part of the checkout process. I'll show you our checkout process here. You can select, let's just say we pick this option to check out. So the terms and conditions are listed as part of the checkout process, and the refund policy as part of the checkout process. You'll also notice that it's secured. Up in the corner there's a little green lock sign, HTTPS, helps us know that it's secured. If you have a business where there's age limitations, you'll also need to make that in a prominent area as well. So you might be asking, why don't I just use PayPal or Square to handle my payments? Those are two popular payments. And those two companies, it really makes sense if your company is doing $3,000 to $5,000 or less every month. But there's several disadvantages to not having a traditional merchant account too. PayPal and Square, they charge premium percentage rates for every transaction that you run. They also have the option of holding on to your money or freezing your account at their discretion if they think something looks funny or a little off. The communication between the small business and the services is not always the best. For example, Square charges you percentage rates starting from 2.75 to 3.5% for every transaction that your business runs. This can seriously cut into your profit margins and needs to be taken into account when you price your products. There is no bulk processing discount for businesses that run lots of transactions. Square and PayPal don't give advantages or price breaks for businesses that bring them lots and lots of transactions. Having a merchant account and gateway for your e-commerce site will allow you to keep more of your profit and be more flexible with your payment processing. My wife and I use our merchant account and gateway to run payment features on our photography school that I showed you earlier. The underwriting and application process for a merchant account has a very fast turnaround time. It usually takes about 1 to 2 business days. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me by email. It's mfrance@selectbankcard.com, and I'll include that below. And you can also reach me at that customer service line. Thank you so much. Have a good day.